I'm Andrew Edwards and you're watching Gear Live, and today I am telling you about our Oculus Go giveaway. If you haven't heard, the Oculus Go is the first all-in-one virtual reality headset made from Oculus, obviously, makers of the Oculus Rift. Rather than needing a smartphone like the Gear VR or a crazy expensive gaming PC, the Oculus Go is standalone VR, so all you need is this right here. What is going on, Tech Squad? I'm Andrew Edwards, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. As I mentioned, we are giving away one of these right here. This is the new Oculus Go. It just launched about 2 or 3 weeks ago. New to the market. They start at $199 for the 32 gig model and jump up to $249 if you want one that can store 64 gigabytes internally. As I mentioned, we are giving one of these away and we're doing it through my Geared Up podcast. If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you've more than likely seen the Geared Up podcast in full, as well as the clips that we do here. But if you're new here or you've missed it, I do a weekly tech news podcast with GeekWire called Geared Up. It is a weekly audio podcast that you can subscribe to in places like the Apple Podcast Store, Google Play Music, Stitcher, Overcast, pretty much anywhere that you get your favorite podcasts, you'll find that there. Search for Geared Up, 2 words, not one, and you'll come across it. When you watch the video version of Geared Up, what you're watching is the behind the scenes recording of the show. So we are sitting down and discussing and recording the podcast, but since it's video and it's the live recording, you're also seeing any bloopers or mess ups or retakes and all that stuff. You're seeing the behind the scenes, and then we turn it into the finished product later in that week. So on the latest episode of Geared Up, we announced the giveaway. We are giving away one of these Oculus Go VR headsets, and I wanted to make a separate video just to let you guys know in case you're not a subscriber to the podcast or in case you didn't catch that full episode. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. The very first link in the description will take you to where you enter the giveaway. If you're curious about how to enter, all you need to do is subscribe to the Geared Up podcast in your favorite podcast player. Obviously, being a podcast, it is free to subscribe, so don't worry about having to pay anything. Subscribe, send in a screenshot, and you're entered. At the end of the giveaway period, we will pick one random person who followed the instructions properly, subscribed, and sent in a screenshot, and that person will win the Oculus Go VR headset. This thing is pretty cool. 3 degrees of freedom, tons of games. It supports over 1,000 apps, games, and movies, and obviously Facebook is the owner of Oculus, so it also has a bunch of interesting social stuff built in as well. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick one, just telling you about the Oculus Go giveaway. It's our way of giving back to the listeners, the viewers, subscribers, etc. Thank you guys so much for your support and for sharing our content. By the way, if you don't win this one, don't worry. I have another giveaway dropping in just a few days from now. And spoiler alert, it's gonna be one of the new iPads with an Apple Pencil. That video will drop later this week though, and that one is the giveaway that I'm actually late on doing to thank you guys for getting me over the 150,000 subscriber mark. So, second giveaway coming shortly. Right now it's the Oculus Go. Hit the link down below in order to enter, and I will catch you guys in the next video.